Hey guys, my name is Gayatri and welcome to my channel Cakes Love Company. It's Christmas Eve soon and there are going to be so many dinner parties to go to or going out or friends coming over. Just so much of eating out and you still want your sugar fix and you don't want the sugar. Well, I've got just the thing for you. A healthier version of a chocolate fudge that's going to blow your socks off. It's so delicious. Come, let's make it. So here it is, your triple chocolate fudge squares. No bake, no added sugar, no maida. These are just too yummy to not try. I hope you make them and do let me know how you found the recipe. I look forward to hearing from you. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon and wishing you a very Merry Christmas. Take care.